Hi, thank you. Yes, you heard it right. Thank you so much for registering for my webinar. It means a lot to me. It matters a lot to me. Yes. But trust me, guys, you're going to learn immense in this free webinar. This is going to be a life-changing opportunity for you, as interior designing is not a hobby, it is not merely a passion, it is a fully loaded career with a high earning capacity. Yes, you heard me right. A high earning capacity. It is a profession with respect and with a great returns. Apart from that, it is an interesting field wherein we are under exposure of various materials. We come across various people, we come across various clients, we come across various spaces, and we have a liberty. We have an open canvas to design and redefine a space for your prospect. And home or an office is a piece of space which attracts a lot of emotions. So guys, it's a big amount of trust which your prospect hold in you, and you are fortunate to have this as your career. So thank you once again for registering for this webinar and for considering interior designing as your career. This is me, Bhakti Ghadge, saying thanks, bye-bye, God bless.